She's giving silk press. She's giving fresh perm. She's giving scalp, okay? From the roots. What she's not giving is wig, but I'm gonna show you how I made this wig look so real. Say hi to my nephew. So I started by coloring my lace. I used my bronzer. You could use a foundation, a lace tint, whatever you got. So I was babysitting this day, so homeboy had to make a special appearance. Oh, look at TT baby. Oh, TT baby, so cute. After bronzing my lace, I also bronzed my ball cap. Girl, just bronze it, okay? Just do it. I then secured the perimeter of my ball cap with some ghost spun glue, but that won't be my primary glue for today. So for my adhesive, I'll be using the Ebon Black spray. I love this spray. It gives you crazy hole and it's not very messy. Now we actually lay our lace. For this part, I be wanting to pull up my geometry set. Girl, because you do not want your wig too low or too high. Because I be seeing some wigs, I be trying to touch your eyebrows. And I be like, wow, crazy. You're crazy, girl. After laying my lace, I went with my milk band and I left that on for about 10 minutes. When I removed it, I went back in with my Ebon spray to really secure my hairline. Don't question me, just do it. And we melted again. To remove my lace, y'all know I use my eyebrow cutter because we don't want no circular hairline. Jagged lines, camouflages the lace the best. Trust me on that one. After doing that, I just used my bronzer and connect that lace color to my forehead color. Girl, I thought I was recording, but I didn't. But after using my bronzer, I did melt my hairline one more time. This step is a non-negotiable. If you want a flat bust down, you need a hot comb. I don't want to hear it. The one I'm using is under $20. It's linked on my Amazon storefront, so go on my bio and get it now. So now we're gonna style the wig, and I'm usually excited but also nervous for this part because I'm not good at curling, but I think this one came out really good. And after curling, here is our final look. Princess Jasmine could never. This hair made me feel like a body, okay? Like you thought I was feeling you. This hair is from Yolissa Hair. It is a 13 by 4 24-inch bust down body wave. Definitely a good quality hair. The only thing was this cap was way too big for my head. So if you have a small head, be mindful. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, don't be afraid to join the beauty family, okay? Because you're gonna love it here. This hair is linked in my bio, so go and get her.